3D printing allows for the production of complex engine components in a faster and more cost-effective manner compared to traditional manufacturing methods. This technology opens up new possibilities for the aerospace industry and space exploration. NASA's Marshall Space Flight Center in Alabama is at the forefront of space exploration and technology. Today, they have a new breakthrough to share with us. NASA has successfully tested a supersonic combustion engine, a technology that could revolutionize interplanetary travel. The rotating detonation rocket engine generates thrust using fuel-saving supersonic combustion, which could save a significant amount of propellant on interplanetary journeys. The engine was hot-fired on a stand at NASA's Marshall Space Flight Center in Alabama more than 12 times, adding up to almost 10 minutes of total firing duration. The tests showed that the 3D printed engine can fire for at least a minute continuously, while withstanding extreme heat and pressure. The tests were only a beginning, and NASA engineers and scientists have plans for further iterations of this technology. The next step is a 10,000-pound class engine, which will more than double the thrust already achieved. This supersonic combustion engine could be used on future Moon or Mars missions, for both robotic probes and crewed landers. NASA's goal is to make interplanetary travel more efficient and safer for astronauts. This is only the first step in a long journey of exploration, but with innovations like this supersonic combustion engine, the possibilities for humanity's expansion across the solar system are endless. NASA's current timeline calls for astronauts to begin flying to the Moon in 2025, and human exploration of Mars in the late 2030s or early 2040s. If you liked the video, please subscribe and follow us for more interesting videos. And thanks for watching.